Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add the songs to the multiple playlists that you want to add, which simply is duplicating the song on your playlist. It's a very easy process, so let's get started. First of all, find the Spotify app on your home screen. Now open it. Now search for the song you want to duplicate. You can use the search bar or scroll down and browse through your playlist. Now go to the playlist. Now tap onto one playlist that has the song that you want to duplicate. Now find the song that you want to duplicate. After finding the song, you can find there are 3 dot lines. Simply select it. Here you can find the option of add to playlist. Go ahead and tap on it. Now here you can add the songs to many playlists that you want to duplicate. After choosing the playlist, simply tap onto Done. Spotify allows you to save multiple versions of a song in your library, which can create duplicates. So now you have duplicated the song and added to your playlist. And that's it. Now you have learned how to add duplicates to Spotify, whether it's on purpose, by adding different versions of a song that you like. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.